Hello everyone and welcome to Tamworth Regional Gallery's Preschool Art Workshop. This week there's a hippopotamus on our roof eating cake, and it's written by Hazel Edwards and illustrated by Deborah Nyland. And can I say, it was my favourite book when I was a kid, so I was just very excited to do this workshop with you. Today we're going to make a birthday cake, and I'd just like to say, for all those people out there who are having their birthdays while we're in the shutdown, I'm sorry we can't have big parties for you, but we can make some cake instead. And so that goes out to my beautiful niece Flo and our friends Kat and Sophie, lovely Amelia, and all our other friends. Have a lovely time. We can't wait till we can all get together and have some fun. So for this workshop, you're going to need some coloured paper for our cake, some scissors, marker, a plate that we can trace around to make our cake. I've even got some glue and some sprinkles, and some textures to colour in. So we have to think about what colour cake we want. I think I'm going to have pink icing on my cake. And so we trace around. And then we cut it out. We'll save this for later because we might need it. So now I'm going to decorate my cake. I'm going to pink. And I might have some purple. And some red. And lastly, some blue. So you can colour in your top of your cake however you like, but that's what I've done. And now we're going to cut it up so we can share it with people. And so we fold it in half, and then we fold it in half again. And that means there'll be 4 bits of cake. And then we ask Mum or Dad to do the cutting. This is going to be delicious. So then we cut out another piece of paper to make the rest of the cake. And then we pick out a bit of pink, or our piece from before, and we rip a skinny piece. Oops. And that's going to be the cream in the middle. So we're going to glue this down. And we'll snip it off so it's the right size. Now my bit of cake might actually look a bit big, so I might cut it again just to make it the right shape. And so if you have one of these doilies at home, you can use that for your cake tray. But if not, you can just stick it on whatever, another round piece of paper. And glue it down like this. And like this. Now, I don't know about you, the most exciting thing about the cake is the sprinkles. So I'm going to put some glue on top like this. I've got some pink sprinkles here from the last time I made a cake. And if they fall off, you can eat those ones. And there we are, a beautiful piece of cake to eat while he's on your roof. Have a lovely week, everyone, and I'd love to see your cakes. I'll see you next week.